Hello, welcome.
Yes.
Yes, please.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, how are
Good.
you? How can I help you?
Yeah, do you type?
Yeah, we're typing and printing.
But I have a little bit of the challenge. I want to type a proposal.
It's okay?
But I have, do you have some sketch of
Yeah, we have
proposal?
samples. We have samples.
Yeah, you know, there's some deal that I've been given.
Yes.
This is how I want you to, these are the aims and objectives. And then if you open here, it's part of the budget. This is how the budget is supposed to be.
Okay.
But the rest of the things in the middle there, like you said, you have a sketch.
Yes. So I try to add in.
Yeah, you add in.
Depending on the introduction.
Yeah, if you can help me.
Yeah, I will.
Because this thing is so abrupt.
It's free. That's why we are here.
How long do you think it will take?
When do you want it?
Even if it's in the evening.
Evening? No. This is a lot of work. At least you'll give me 3 days.
3 days.
Yeah. If I finish it before the 3 days, I'll give you a call.
Okay, it's fine.
It's okay.
So can I have your number?
It's okay.
If it's okay.
Yeah, all right.
It's okay.
07723. That's my number. Yes. This is your very number, eh?
This is the one.
Okay.
You are?
I'm Carol.
Carol. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
You're looking good.
Your name? Is it the same name?
Yeah.
Okay, Lazarus. Thank you.
So Carol.
All right.
3 days?
3 days. If I finish
Not
before
bad.
that, I'll give you a call.
Oh, thank you so much.
It's
Thank
okay.
you so
Then
much.
the payments? After?
How do you want it? Can't you call me then I make payments?
It's
Do I
okay.
need to deposit?
No, clear me all at it. I prefer that.
I'll call you then we meet, then I get the proposal.
Okay,
and
sir.
I clear.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Thank you. You know, I need to yes, I see to train how fast. Okay. Getting alright. Wow. And then I have problems. Have you made some food again?
Yeah, I did it before I came to the office, as you had told me.
Seems that I have to run up and down. Hey, big man, you're about, eh?
Yes, I'm
Always busy. Work. So after shopping, are we heading home?
Yeah, we shall be going home. Possible. Or we'll be well. Anyway.
You just need to relax. The things will get done. You know, as you always do your thing.
Sometimes
I know you feel like it.
why do you look for life? How do I look?
Ask her.
What is the mood?
Didn't have no option.
That mood is
except
the
to
what?
leave the house.
Let's go.
She went to her mother's grave.
Ah, brother, thank you.
She had no other place to go.
Stop. The problem. Now, I want to first reach out. I've just seen a message. I want to go and pick something. Yeah, I think I'll get my food at home.
I don't care.
Oh, wow. You already here?
I'm here. I've been waiting for you.
Thank you. How's it?
You're fine?
You're good?
Yeah.
How's work?
Okay,
I can see you're looking good.
Really?
Wow.
Thank you.
You have toiled.
Yeah.
Wow.
So as we are waiting for your drink, I've brought the proposal we discussed about. I've finished working on it. You can go through it and see if you'll sign our agreement. And we go ahead with our business.
Okay. I think I can just, the introduction just puts soap.
Really?
About the mission and the vision,
It's there on the next page.
the next, this page.
Yes.
Okay. About the financial part of it.
It's here. This one. You can go through it.
Financial, yeah.
It will work.
That's great. Okay. And that part.
This is the conclusion.
Okay. How did you make this
I can
conclusion?
go through it.
Just like
See.
the way I told you.
Yes.
So you even added this part here.
Yeah. To make the work.
That's why I like people who are already experienced.
Excuse
Just
me.
edge of
Excuse me. What is
Yes.
happening here?
business, of course, as usual.
Business.
Like I told you.
Who is she?
Business.
Eh? Who are you?
Wait, Laura, what's the problem?
What is happening here? You think I'm joking? What is going on? You think I'm joking? What is happening here? Who is this lady?
Who is she? Excuse me.
I've been following you.
This is not good. This is not
Tell me
good.
who this is.
We're doing business.
I'm not here to
We are doing
business.
business.
Business is done from the office, not here. What is happening? You leave my car. Leave my car. You see what she's doing.
Listen,
See what she's
I am
doing.
sympathetic. That's the problem. You are the one who was
Look at what she's doing.
First, who is supposed to explain? Who is supposed to explain this?
So you think you are more wise?
Not more wise.
I
This is
know.
business we are doing. This is
With
business.
business, I'm
This is
not
business.
ready to listen to all that nonsense. Who is
Now,
this
big man,
bitch
listen.
here?
Look,
Who
look.
is she? Eh?
Wait, why you? What's wrong with you?
So you are the one who has been, eh?
This is not all what you think. This is not what you think.
Now who is she?
This is not what you think. This is someone who is. This is someone who has had a community of kind. You see what you're supposed
Not
to
anywhere. Who are
You
you?
see, person. See
I'm
what?
not done. Yes. I'm not done.
Go
Huh?
home. Go home.
Which home?
Just go home.
Which home?
Go home now.
So that you
Go home.
continue. You can
Go home.
with her.
Listen, this is
You can
business.
continue.
Go home. This is business.
Okay. Let me get my phone.
Wait,
I'm getting
go
my
home.
phone.
Go
Okay, get
home.
for me my phone.
Who told you to come get your phone? Go home. Go
We shall
home.
see.
Go home. Let's
We
see.
shall see.
Go home. Don't want nonsense.
You are even pushing me. In fact, I'm not done. Let me finish with
No,
her.
let's
Let
not
me
finish.
get her.
What's the problem with you? What's the problem with you? No, please. I'm going
Crazy.
I will
Every time
explain.
because of her.
I will explain. What's the
What
problem
do
with
you
you?
mean? What do you
Tell me
mean?
there's something. What's the problem? I'm doing business with her. This is a proposal.
business, I'm
This
not
is a proposal. Big man, help me.
Yeah, we cannot.
Look at her. What does she have that I don't have?
No, it's not about what. It's not what you think. It's not what you think.
Crazy everywhere.
No, it's not what they think. No, I'll explain this. I'll explain this. Please go home.
Don't tell me
Just go home.
Such that you continue
Please
with
go
her.
home. Please, no, it's not about continue. Go home. Just go home. Just help me, please.
Listen,
Just
listen.
what's wrong?
I will show you today that I'm crazy.
What is wrong with you? Go home.
Okay.
Take your phone.
Okay.
Take your phone and go home. Go home. We shall sort out. Get home.
You will meet me.
Go home. It's so fine.
You will meet me.
It's fine. I will meet you. It's fine.
You will not
Go
like
home.
crazy.
No problem. Go home. That's matter.
Mr. Lazarus, what is going on? Who is this lady?
Please.